Hello everyone, welcome back to my video. So today I'm gonna show you my rainbow LED Arduino Uno. So before we get into this code, at the end of this video, I'm gonna show you the output of the Arduino Uno rainbow LED. So let's get right into this sketch. So as you can see in the sketch, we have the first thing first of the variable declaration here. So this is the part of the code that defines which physical pins on the Arduino Uno board that are connected to the legs of the LED. So we have the red pin, the green pin, and the blue pin. So this is the digital pin here, 11, 10, 9. So let's proceed to the void setup. So the void setup runs exactly once, and when it does, it goes to the pin mode here. It has an output. Same goes to the green pin and the blue pin. These three has an output here, and the pin mode, pin output, this tells the Arduino microcontroller that these pins will be used to send voltage out to a component, which would be the LED, and rather than reading voltage from a sensor. So let's get right into the void loop here. So this is the before we look at the main loop. uh, let's think that to understand how the function that defined at the bottom of the script here, which is the color. So so this is the actual work of the changing LED color, which would be void color, unassigned character red, unassigned green, unassigned character blue. So this generates the argument of the function that takes three numbers or assigned characters, uh, is assigned data that holds a value between 0 and 255. So this matches the result of the Arduino PWM. So let's look at the void loop function here. So this is the main function, the main logic. This runs in infinite loop. So as you can see, we have the basic parts here, the basic color. We have the 25500. So this is the red when it is on, and it has a delay here, which would be 1 second or 1000 millisecond. So the second one is the green color, which would be 0 to 55 and 0. So this is a result that the LED is green, and it also has a delay here, 1 second delay. And we also have the last color, which would be the blue one. So the color blue is 00255. So this result is an on LED, and it's also have a delay 1 second. So this the rainbow part is in this one. So the blended colors or the rainbow, this section mixes the value to create secondary or tertiary color, which would be orange, yellow, indigo, and purple. So the summary of this code is that the RGB LED module is assumed by the in here 2.5, meaning it's on. And I think that's it for this code. So I'm gonna show you the output in a minute. So this is the output of the Arduino Uno LED. So as you can see, the LED lights turns green, orange, orange, yellow, and red and green. So it's repeatedly turning on and off by its respective color. And I think that's it for today. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys have a nice day. Thank you.